Hey guys, make sure my audio is good. Um, um okay. Gotta figure. Alright, we're live. Alright, so today I'm gonna make a crafting, not crafting, an inventory system that's similar to Minecraft, where everything's on a grid and you can move them around. I'm gonna do it from scratch, so here is what I want. Grid-based system allows sorting items, you can split items, move them around. And I want it to be weight based. So if you have, like, say you have some logs, for example, you can't carry a lot of other stuff. And then yeah, that's just the same. You're saying heads up. And then you can improve your max weight with like upgrades and stuff like that. So double check some. Alright, so let's start working on it. Open up. Oh. And I need to create the items, the icons as well. So I could probably do that in a sprite, maybe. See, where am I? Streams. If it opens up, go back to. See how this looks so far. Alright, so we got some fishes in there. Probably need to let them go further out. Let's do that. For the pond, where is it? Where is the radius? That far out, but or it is working fine actually. I need to figure out a better way to do the should add crouching to this. I can't even in order. And I didn't set this up. Alright, so let's get to the inventory system. So right now I have a basic thing, just like a list. I want to change this to be an actual grid system. And I want to have like the shortcut be right at the bottom here. We drag like a tool in it, but so let's just draw that up real quick. Right. 512, 512. Then I probably should have used actually just to get the mock-up how I want it. Not that one. Template. Alright, so grid at full. Just to get an idea how much I want it to be the same. know it. Alright. Curved like that. Okay. Thinking how much of these guys I need anyways. Maybe 6 across or 4. I wanna keep it like steady. Alright, let me do 6. So 6 across and maybe 5 down. Where is that starting? I don't use this a lot, so should be somewhere. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna align it, that, and then space them out. This one. Not duplicate. Something like this. Yeah, that should be good. Then I want to have like a shortcut thing down here, so I'm gonna copy this and then put this here. So this is gonna be the shortcuts. Then on this side, it's gonna be like a description. That message here. 1 4 back. That was right. 1 2 3. Thinking what else I need to current weight or something like that. Put that right here. Weight. I don't know which, but in all white. Oh, that's a stroke. And then I need what else did I have on that side? Right here. Play it again. Okay, I have status, inventory. What I'm thinking is I could make the inventory and crafting be one window instead of 2. Maybe. I don't know. Could do that. Go back. Wait. Then this is gonna be shortcuts. Shortcut slots. Rocket fuck. It's so thick. Where's it? Oh. Too thin. And inventory grid here. And B grid. Then this is gonna be a description area. So it's item description. Fix black and get. Find it. On. Should the weight be up top or bottom? Anyone have an idea? Like just a display saying what your current weight is. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. Put other stuff down here, bro. It looks about alright. Then I could have some shortcut key like helpers on. Text like press D. Not duplicate. It. Like E to split, maybe. I mean right mouse button to be honest, but right mouse. So whenever you click the right mouse, I want you to be able to like select if you want to split it in half or a quarter or just select one. Something like that. Then yeah. Hey Fernando. What's up? I'm doing a better inventory system. So I'm gonna use a grid system similar to like Minecraft. I'm gonna try to make it today too. I'm just trying to get a general idea how I want it to look. So left mouse, just select or pick up item. And then I want a delete key. X delete. Then you press delete. It's gonna ask if you want to delete all or some maybe. Alright, let me save this. Let me put black background. Where? The color the black. And move it to the back. Where is it? There. Yeah, I did use it for the tree. That's what I used to make the tree the other day. That one tree that I have using. That's it. I'll just call this inventory layout. Yeah, that's what I used to make the tree. Let me show you. God, how much stuff I have open. One. This guy. I think I still have it enabled here. So add. What was it under again? That curve? Under. Oh, I think it's here, right? Extras. Maybe you got disabled. Oh. I mean, you'd have to convert it to a mesh first. I think you have to do that. Then you'd have to figure out how to UV unwrap it so it doesn't stretch. That makes sense. And I could get a texture somewhere and try it out right now actually, because I need to do that. I don't know if it's enabled right now. I'm trying to find it back. Unless I'm blind. Where is it? It's supposed to be somewhere. Or mesh. You probably disabled. Let me double check. I have this stupid thing with Blender where it disables stuff. Oh, it is enabled. Add curve. Yeah, I was in the right thing. So what the heck? Oh, I'm blind. I didn't see it. There you go. I need to move this tree out the way though. Let me undo that. What I still don't know to do in Blender that well is how to get back the settings for this. There's a way to do it, but object or is it select? Yeah, it's still. Alright, let me grab a texture really quick. Image. Tree. H tree. H. Texture. Tileable. Tileable tree texture. Let's try this one out. That does not look tileable. Is it? Not tileable. Actually need some textures too. Let's see. Let's start this here. Entry. Try this one. Not bad. Oh, did I have credits? I think I've been on here before. I have 15. Alright, let me grab the pine tree. Need 1K. Have to be a TIFF. Uh-oh. Folder. What was that again? Pine tree. Pine. I don't get why they use uh-oh. The stream keeps kicking offline for some reason. And the roughness. This is roughness. Uh-oh. My stream lagging. Internet today's weird. Alright, let's try that out. So let's convert this guy. Oh, by the way, I'll press F3 for that. So you could type stuff in. Yeah, YouTube's telling me my internet's kicking out and stuff. It's been happening for a while for some. Let's see if the UV unwrap this by automatically. I doubt it, but image. And let me open up the tree. Textures. Oh, I need to bookmark that page. That page. Oh, I'm in the wrong spot. Sub neuter. I need to add this one. So, tree. Where is it? Tree bark. Pine bark. I call it pine bark. Alright, let's add a material to this guy. Image text. Just a bit stretched here. So there's a few ways you could do it. You could project from view, but that won't really work that right. For example, you could just select this section here. You could select parts of it. God. Hey. Why is it tripping? Alright, so I could like UV unwrap or UV project. Try that first. A little better, but not really. What I would normally do here is just split select these, and then around here. That's good. So you mark seam first. Then let's reselect all of them. Faces. I could just do unwrap. Unwrap. Oh. Go back in view mode. Select all of these guys. Date them on -90. Back to this because for some reason my this kick. Scale on Y 0. Y 0. Alright, let's try this again. 1Z. Mean. Okay. Really gotta play around with it, to be honest. Alright, I'm gonna save this one. I don't wanna spend time doing this the whole time. It's gonna be troublesome. So, let me start working on the the terrain generation. Oh boy. I updated it recently, the GitHub. What am I doing? Right, the HUD. So my inventory, I want to change it to be not a list anymore. Delete that. So grid container. So Wait. For that, I need. Alright, let's get the grid container first. Grid. Where is it? Container. I need each slot to be an image or a flat texture button. I don't know why my stream keeps kicking out. It happened like a couple times now. Weird. Anyways. Where am I? Oh, let's change this to 2 or the current tab. One, I mean. Alright, I need something for the grid, so let's go back in. Okay. Thinking what I'm gonna use for each slot. Keep it low res. I'm not even sure how much that is. I'm gonna work with that for now. Hey, what's up? Hey, Vivian. Oh no. Yeah. I'm making like a little slot thing. So I could use it for the inventory system. Making like programmer art right now. Oh no, that's bad. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, there's one up. Oh. Save myself a headache and just use this guy, but the Inkscape. Do that. I'm making this more difficult than I need to be. I could have just used these guys here. Put it right here. Let's see if I can even remember how to do this thing. Where is it? Symmetry. Turn it on. No. Put it over here. Then thing I draw on this side draws on that side. Right though. So now if I erase, let me turn this off for a second. Erase this whole side. There's stuff missing. Oh, I'm done. The tools are gone. Let's copy this over. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm just thinking. So, just grab this piece. That perfect. But there. gonna just fill it with plain old white for now. Just like where is the word? 3. What color it is? Where's the fill? Oh. Alright, let's save this. Port. Oh, I didn't actually save it, so save as gotta go all the way back to find the drive. Mount forest of drink. That's it. Save it as a UI textures. I'm gonna come back to it. A sprite. That's the right spot. Yes. Oh, this is just a survival game. Could show you. Hold on. What I have so far. Uh-oh. I broke some. I gotta just deleted the inventory system. Let me get rid of this guy. What else goes? Alright. There you go. So I got some fishes in here swimming. I need to add crouching to it, but I could move the pond up so you could actually see the fishes better. Or it's gonna be out of the water. Here, there. I could actually pick them up too. Oh my gosh. We're offline. Yeah, my it keeps kicking out for some reason. I don't know. I have no idea why. My internet's been funny like that recently. Gotta probably reset my router or something. And I'm on a wired connection too. I have like a 50-foot cable coming from my modem. That's set this back where it was. Alright, let me pull that thing in. Did I I did not. I only saved it, so export as textures, and that here. Go on the HUD and the inventory menu here. I want to add a grid item, a grid. What could I use for the grid? Thinking. Grid. Could use an image texture. I think. And on here. Or image button, texture rec. The thing is, if I use a texture rec, I would have to select, I would have to program pressing it. I think. Let me double check. There's a press for this node. Nope, there's not. I'll use the image button then. So the texture rec is gonna be for the items. Let's call that item. Then use the image button. Or let's call it button. Texture button. That was so confused. So grid. Or let's call it slot. Then I need a image for it. Textures normal. Let's texture. Here's decent size. I need to duplicate this a couple times. I need to call this slot 0. And I could duplicate it. Not sure I need again. 12. 6. Here. Oh, nice, more than 12. That's the amount I need for that. So I gotta program pressing all of these. Go to here. Grid. Before I in the children. I got pressed. Connect. Select. Good. I'm passing its grid name. I.name. Find. I.name. Probably shouldn't use name, but oh well. For this one, I want to print that out. So func selected grid. Just print that, see if it works. Grid. Back to island. Make sure this prints here. Slot 0, slot 1. Alright, we know it works. 9. So I shouldn't name them slot, I should just name them a number. Let me rename this really quick. Oh yeah, I know. I'm just indifferent with what I want to use, to be honest. I didn't really like this because it's the same PSVs as concave too. Alright, let's not use this guy then. and I could actually scale with the grid map. Alright, I'm gonna just use the Inkscape. So I'll come back to that. Anyways, what I was saying is I want to rename this to just be 0. That's the quickest way I could do this. I could make this a tool. I don't want to just name everything. And then say hold on. Name equals our ID. I'll create that now. An ID increment by 1 for ID equals 0. Leave this. Let me just reload this thing. Button with value type int. Oh, or my mistake. Load scene again. There you go, fixed. I didn't have to do all that stuff myself. Get rid of the tool. Alright, so for my actual invention now, where I would save, I need to add those slots. Where is it? Yo, the slot tool here. I'm gonna create a separate one for inventory slots. Oh yeah, I still work on it on and off. That's a bigger game I'm working on, so I wasn't finished with it. How much slots are there? 9, 29, or 30. Guess I gotta type these up. Oh boy. 0. What should I have here? Empty. Let me just copy this a couple times. I gotta write 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. Then I could do something similar to, so I don't have to do this, but already too late. So 21. And 5 more. And 6, 7. Really, it's 9. Not. That's a 0. Right. So what I'm gonna have here is, for example, like I have stick 1 here, I'd have to have the name and then the amount. So stick, and this would be its own dictionary. So and the amount as well, or quantity. Oops. Alright, so let me explain what's going on here. What's going on? Oh, mistake. Okay, so this inventory is all the items that you have, and then this is just what your layout in the inventory system. Like for example, say I have one stick here, that one stick is right here. So I could have like 10 sticks here probably, but then only one of that stick is in this slot. That makes sense. Wait, 10 for now. And then you have another 9 somewhere else of the same stick. Hey, that's everybody. It's not just me. Oh boy. Hey, Sleepy Mushroom. How's it going? Everybody does it. It's not me. It's not only me. Oh boy. But this game is gonna be like, that's a game I make and put it on maybe what's it called? That website. Oh cool. Thanks. Good bit. I still wanna fix up the threading part of it. It works, but it's kinda finicky. Cause sometimes the thread isn't finished and I'm trying to use it for another chunk of terrain. So it like still doesn't load. I don't know. Yeah, itch. That's what I meant. Itch are you? Yeah, I'm just making it for fun, to be honest. Alright. So we have these 10 sticks here. You guys think I shouldn't do this, by the way? See where bugs can show up, but so let me create another one that's just the not right now. I can't think of anything, to be honest. I'd have to look back into it again. So this section I want to change up and get rid of this and put it in another variable. Let me hide that for now. Var, call it shortcuts. And that would be 0. Call it empty as usual. Same situation as before. I don't know. Kinda what I needed. One. Alright, could get rid of this now. Gonna break other stuff, but oh well. Actually, no. It actually doesn't do that. So get slot tool here. Yeah, it's the same thing. Just change this to copy that and shortcuts and index. There, same thing. But I should change this to be just slot. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it as that. So set slot 2. The thing is, I want the shortcut to have anything, not just tools. But you want to put just tools in there in most cases, right? Freedom of choice, I guess. Let me just grab this guy. Oh, this game? Let me show you. Here it is so far. Oh, this is terrain 3D, by the way. This is not my terrain thing. This is from Tokusan's games. I got some fishes in here. Last stream I made this fish and pond system. Could actually pick them up, but here are those guys on it there. I could chop the trees too as well. Where are they? Me take the walk over there. Why not? Uh-oh. I messed up my Blender file. These guys aren't supposed to be here. Don't think I can pick up any of these. If I do, it might break. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't break. And nothing in my inventory. Yeah. Okay, so that does work. Yeah, that's the plan too. So you're gonna be able to interact with the campfire, add things to it. And then I want it to have a smoke, like a black smoke coming out whenever you add something to it. So you know that there's something in it cooking. Let me move back over here. Leave the pond alone for now. Oh shit, I moved the wrong thing. They leave the pond alone and I drag the pond over. Drag the player over here. Make sure I'm not in the floor again. Not way above. I need to add some grass. Yeah, so I'm saying is I want to come to here and then you could interact with it and add the fish or whatever you want to cook. And whenever you do that, I want a new fire to start, like a black smoke to start going up, showing that you're cooking something. I still want to figure out how to fix this though. Look, if I go directly over it, could use 3D meshes, but then you know that's gonna look or not. Don't know. And little hut. Yeah. Oh no, it's white billboarding already. That's what's going on here. Yeah. There's no Z billboarding though, so that's why we got this going on. Yeah, I might change it to 3D meshes. Alright, so let's work on that inventory now. I think I could run the HUD by itself, right? That'd be great. Yep. Alright, here I'm selecting the slots. Just wanna know that I select them. So whenever I click on one, if there's something in it, I wanna hold it. And then I could bring it to another one. If I'm holding something and I click another one, I wanna put it in the slot, and if it's empty, if it's not empty, I want to swap whatever is in my hand with whatever I'm holding. Alright, let's add some stuff to it. Quick. Thinking, what could I use? So here's the item. I have this hidden by default. So this is what I'm gonna duplicate. Give it a node, a script. And alright, let's populate it really quick. So let's use the Godot logo for now. So, oh, icon. That's what it's called. Icon SVG. And each one of these slots should actually. Oh, I didn't think that through, didn't I? Dang. Thinking how I could do this. I think I should have each slot with their own script. Alright, let me add one. Slot. Maybe. I don't know. The fastest way to add a script to all of these. Oh, I think down here. And load. But go. Alright, so each slot knows its ID. So var ID and ready ID is equal to its name. Oh yeah, I could do that too in a little bit. A little sway effect. Because the axe is actually on a tools thing, so all of them is on the same. So I could move this guy around a little bit, so all of them do the same thing. All right, so see what we're gonna do here. Good. I need a function or a boolean saying I'm holding an item. Holding item equals false. Oh. Should pass the grid itself. And then that way I could check if I'm trying to think how to do it. So if grid selected, so grid, if grid that has item, I'm gonna create all of these functions here. Then I want to say item. Maybe I have to create the item or no? Yeah, I need to reparent the item to the players. I want the item to follow the player around. Follow the player's mouse. Grid. Grid item position equals oh, I need to actually match the item or held item. That's gonna be null. And just say that's equal to held. Wait. Held item equals grid item. Alright, so I need in the process now. Process. The if held item, then held item needs to be its position needs to be the same as the player's mouse. I still need to figure out its center point and all that, but let's do that. Let's just get it first. Get mouse position. Tell me I could get the mouse here. Oh, good. Position. All right. Right. Let me add a. All right. What do I need now? So has item and an item. Program that now. Bar item, and I need a function called has item. Has item. I need to return item not equals null. Right. Yes, you're right, Fernifer. Let me double check that. Let me go back to where is it? You are actually right. A mistake. Cause I put it as a number, I was just thinking it's a number. You know. Alright, so if it has item, here's how we have to actually check though. So slot, so func, I wanna actually swap the item, so or add item. Yeah, add item. Maybe I shouldn't call it from here though. Actually I can. Add item. And then alright, have to pass. What do I gotta do here? So add child item and item position equal to position. Then I say func swap item. This is if there was an item. So first I do add item again, and then return. Oh wait, sub item. How am I gonna do this? I can't do this yet. I gotta figure this part out. That's why I think I shouldn't do it here. Yeah, you're right. Right here. Alright, let's try it out here. So get rid of all of these here. I kinda need this though. Or not. Oh. Hold on, I have a better idea. Func grid as item grid ID. Alright. Then could say get child. ID grid ID child count, I think. Get child count greater than 0. Return that. There you go. And I delete this, so yeah, I don't need a script anymore. Right. Hey guys, I'll be right back. Give me like maybe 5 minutes. Delete these here. Be right back. Let me put on. I don't know if you guys heard that. You're dying here. Did I put it on the pond? We're back in a sec. Oh man, alright, I'm back. Guys, remember never to eat ice cream ever again. Oh, buddy. Had to go. Alright. Where was I? Alright, no grids, so. Let's see. Grid. Grid has item. Pass the grid ID. Grid dot name. Pass that as an int. Weird thing to do, but going on here. Oh, grid is okay. I have to also check if I'm holding an item here too. So func swap item. Then what do I need here? Pass it for a sec. I need the grid ID. The grid ID. The item swapping. Or just call it item swap. Yeah. The new item. Item to get, maybe? Item to get. Oh, I don't need this. So, if holding item equals false, you say if grid has go. So the thing is, I don't want to remove it yet. Could I do that? Right. I actually didn't. Get your account. Else, I want to swap the item. So if I want to place the item, copy this. Grid as item, and I want to swap here. Swap item. And I'll just get the ID or grid equals grid. I think there's a index for it, to be honest. What do you get an index for a node again? Let me double check. Good. But control. Be a much easier way to do it. Got it index or something like that. There it is. So let's swap this out for grid ID. Swap item, grid ID, and then the ID for what are it? Item to swap. Build item. Oh, so var. Wait. This is what it's gonna be. Held item equal to swap item. So what I'm doing here is returning the new item from the grid ID. So var item equals item to swap. Then get grid ID. Hold on. ID. Thinking of how to do it. All right, I've just selected grid already. Oh, okay. There's item. All right, and the grid. So pass grid here. Grid. Okay, so instead of grid ID here. Grid. Supposed to be slot, not grid, to be honest. Oh well. Let me change that up. What? What? All right, so so instead of slot, it doesn't matter really. So slot dot item. Right, I can't use item again. Get child. I know this is gonna come back and haunt me. Be honest. And held item to item. Right, agile. And swap items like this. So the only way I could do this is if I have a node that just floats around in here and it follows the player around. And I know I did this wrong because this is supposed to have a reference to its own child. I have to put it back. Good. Just the one script, so not like the million scripts. Oh, could hold on, sub item, add child here. So the grid is, oh no, I can't use the grid to add child. Shoot. Let's say get parent. Parent add child. But move. Then held item, golden item is true. There's a few other stuff I have to check too. If I'm placing an item, I would have to cancel out all of this. Oh, and the item here itself should be mouse input. Name. Item. And rename it to that. Let's add an item. If rand f greater than 0.5 item bar dot item equals dot item. Oh, Okay. Yeah, I had to run to the bathroom just now. I had some ice cream yesterday and you know that ends. Duplicate. And I dot a child. Dot Adam. R-I. Oh, I can't name it. Shoot. Oh. See how that looks. Step into construction. Bring name to button. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Enter. Uh-oh. Alright, retried it. What's going on? String name to string. I'm not trying to convert it to a string. Alright, let's pass that for now. Come back to that. C++ kicked in just now. I didn't. Or it probably did, I just didn't set them to visible. I'm stupid. Where is it? Good. So o.show. Wink. Whoops. Okay. Isn't that work? Fine, I gotta make the whole inventory. This and that it defaults to the on a simple image. Godot programmer art. Course. My blind. Oh, it's all at the top. Let's call it 10 for now. Blender open. Let's get rid of that and use the code atlas texture. Oh, okay. So they use like a omni light or directional light? Not directional. The other one. Area light. And then go that temp really quick. Image is way too big. No, I can't even find it. Oh boy. Try that again. I mean, oh, there it goes. That worked a lot quicker than I thought it would. Not perfect, but I need to put it back down. Uh-oh. Alright. Oh, the swap items one is messed up. Oh, I didn't actually do it right. It shows you. Add shell. Oh, item to swap. Oh. They call held item equals to item. If that works first. For some reason that breaks. Nothing else works, huh? Yep, got broken there. Yeah. I gotta line this up somehow. So here, get global mouse. See if local mouse does anything better. Yep, local mouse is a better one. So it's right in the top corner that I would expect it. Alright, so now got selected. I'm thinking, oh, if grid has item, if I'm thinking how to do this right. If I am already holding an item, okay, I see. Right here. Else, I want to place the item. So grid. Oh, I'm in the right. Oh, slot. I keep saying grid. I don't know why. Slot dot add child. Held item. Then held item equals null. And then I'm not holding an item. Equals false. That's false. It's not. So if I'm swapping an item, I'm still holding it, so that doesn't. That's where it got frozen. Boom. Anything else? Works. So grab this one now. Over here. Grab this one again. Looks like once I pick them up and put them back down, I can't pick them up back again. I wonder why. I think it's something to do with parenting. Here, there's the errors popping up. With parenting. Can't add child already has parent. Ah, of course. Right here. Can I tell it? Oh, I can tell it to get its parent. So held item dot get parent and say remove child. I say held item. I don't think that works, but so remove child is, oh, it is a node. So it adds it, so I have to set its position to be interesting. I'll actually set its position to. So held item position equals slot. That looks. Weird. Oh, that one worked. Didn't work. Global? Oh. I think I know what it is. Add child. Where did I add child? Stop item. Oh, I didn't do that yet. Know what I could do? I ain't doing all that. Why doesn't it place it back where it's supposed to be? To do that. Right, let me do something. I want to print its position. Right here. Let's say print dot position. Oh, I know why. The reason is global position should be the same. Remember it's relative. So if I tell the item to be the same position as this, remember the slot has a different parent. It has to be global. Or even 0. 0 plus whatever it should be. It should be 0. Yeah, sure. Alright, we got progress. And then I could do all the swapping of this stuff whenever. I need to add like twisting too. Splitting. Okay. And I need a table. Change this to be a actual in. Add the label. There you go. only go up to 99 anyways. So that and second. Alright, so oh man. Alright, let's figure out the swapping. So swap item, where do I call? Hold. I don't even need to pass that. So held item. It's a first like get your okay. Then plot remove child. Thinking, what am I doing here? What do I do here? I'm holding the item. Oh, I'm doing the same thing. Okay, so slot that add child here. Slot add child item. Then old item equals item. I think. Alright, let's see. Get parent. Add child. Let's add a random number. Then it's so weird doing it like this. That sure. String Okay, that worked. Well, let me double check. Oh. That. Oh, is the text is stopping it. That's so. Dang it. Well, that's a problem I said. Going on there. Let's see if we can sort. Oh, it worked. Yes. I think. Or it didn't. Did it work? Oh yeah, it did work, but there's a bug. Let's double check that swap item. Alright, so grab the item from the slot that I'm swapping out from. I think. Double check. If create as item. Okay. Another swap item from that slot. Item. Move child. Item. That. Dot add child. Child item. Item now equal. Yeah. What am I doing wrong here? Child. Let me try that again. Hey, what's up, HQ? I'm trying to get this thing working. I'm going good so far. Good grip select and move him around. But whenever I swap, something weird happens here. I don't know why that happens. No, I can't select this one again. As if it goes unparented. I don't know why. Yeah, that doesn't have a child anymore. Weird. I need to add like a right mouse menu and stuff like that. Split. Yeah, I know. I'm adding all of them. Working trying to figure out the swap section here. What am I doing wrong? Get child. Man, maybe I should just do this first. No, that wouldn't even make sense. Oh, I think I know what it is. So the item, I need to remove its parent too. So slot, not slot, held item. Oh, there's the errors too. Remove, get parent. Remove child. Its own self. Yeah, I think that's the error. Well, it probably says it right here, right? Yep. Alright, so parent, remove child, add child. That's the only missing step. if that works. HQ, you've been there before? Cause I'm just messing with the HUD, so you wanna see it? Let me know. It works, but I need to set its position back. It's working. I just forget the position. Okay. Here's how it looks so far. Let me So ignore those white trees there. I should get rid of them. This is my I'll come back to it. So I have a bunch of tools. Uh-oh. I broke it. I'll come back to that. And I have like a fishing thing going on. Go all the way over here. Gotta find it. Where's the texture changes? Oh, there it is. Got some fishes over here. So I had a whole like pond mechanic set up, so they swim around this only in this area. And let me fix the tools. I have a whole bunch of tools that don't even get to show. There's a pole. I still haven't done the mechanics for it yet though. Got a knife, got a spear, got a bow and arrow. That's what you saw before, a pickaxe. Alright, I'm gonna save this and let me fix this thing here. So what I'm doing here is I need to set the position. So slot held item dot global position equals slot dot global position. That should fix it. Alright, so this one's 14, this one's 8, so you should swap out. There you go. 14, 14. Alright, so that's progress so far. Don't know why that does that there, but oh, that's what that is. That's this item. So I'm gonna make this a scene. I don't want to do that, but oh well. Let me move it out the way. Shouldn't even be here. Should be hidden somewhere off scene. That was weird. Alright. What's going on there? What? Yes. Am I doing everything on that node by mistake? Wait a minute. I am so confused. What just happened? What in the world? That's weird. Hot item. Make sure I'm not using this anywhere else. Find that in the world. Oh, I didn't set their position. So global position. Equals to I dot global position. Alright, that should fix that. So the reason was it was just grabbing whatever this is and then putting its relative 0 position. Crazy. Now I could hide this somewhere else. Where is it? Yeah, that could stay wherever it is there. I still need to center everything, but for now I want to just get it to work. Okay, so what we need now, we need a list. So list, I'm gonna do the splitting feature now. Item list. Alright, so I need to say take one, and take half. And then what else? So much I don't want to just say delete or discard. I don't know. Yeah, let's say delete. So whenever you click delete, you get a pop-up to select the amount you want to delete, or just delete all. Alrighty. Let's call it split. Split. So that looks. Maybe I'm using the wrong thing, aren't I? Yeah. What do you call it? Pop-up menu. Dang it. Items. Take one. And delete these 3 dots. No, you could item list. Right. Right mouse. Where is it? I want them to be centered, by the way. Is there a way to do that? Wait a minute, can I make a button have a right mouse select? I think I can, right? Input. Is there a right mouse select option? Great. Unpressed. I mean, I could just use enter and exit. And then that would make sense with it. I want it to be like a... Actually, I should. Let's connect those up. And mouse enter and exit. Okay, call that the active slot. So var active slot. Set to null by default. Alright, and then entered. Item. Func mouse exit item. So active item, active slot equals null. I don't think I need this here. So active slot equals slot instead. Oh, right. How do I know which one it is now? It's a weird thing. Hold on, let me do it. So, I would have to give it a custom signal. I could do that. Oh well, I don't know. Mouse entered. Hold again. Mouse entered. Can I connect the I think I can actually. Hold on. On mouse entered. I'll just try it and see what happens. Connect mouse enter. Oh no, I gotta rename it. On centered. So let's bind the actual slot to it. I don't know if it worked. It should work. I don't know. Declared in curve scope. All right. Not bad. Needed that. Let's see if it works. So let's print, but not name. Not doing any of this stuff. And run. Yep, it works. There. 27, 28, perfect. Alright, so active tool is equal to slot. And mouse exit. Connect that. Need to bind anything. And mouse exit. Head or exit? Mouse. On mouse exited. Alright. So what I want to do now is whenever I right click while there's an active mouse. Let me see. I'm wondering where I could do this. Do it in the process. Okay, let's just grab the input. Func input event. If event is input event mouse. I probably should if event Good. First. Is there a release? I think there's a release. Release. Is released. Then I want to pop up that menu. And only if it's actually active. Unique. If the slot is what do you call it? Where is it? Active slot isn't null. So if active slot, then I'm gonna pop up the menu. Right mouse menu. Would pop up. Need to set the position too. Right mouse menu. Global. Equal to get global mouse position. Alright, let's test it out. Ink. I think it's just position. Double check. Yeah, it's just. Go. Take one, split or delete. Oh, there's one issue though. I need to check if it's visible. I don't want you to be able to select any other ones. The unmouse entered. Where is it? So if kinda hacky, but right mouse menu not visible. Let's turn. Oh. Alright, that way it doesn't change. Alright, so this need to set up a signal for this guy. ID pressed. Why is it this? What's the difference with here? That's confusing. Oh well. That to be on the grid. Okay, what are we gonna do here? Oof. Match X. We have 0, 1, 2. 0 is to take 1. I could say get wait. For Adam what was it called? Adam template. Yeah, Adam template. Already. It up here. Oh, slot item. Duplicate. Identification. Oh, maybe. Let's see. Item. Get child 0 text equals. This is all placeholder stuff visually, so we need to actually do stuff with the inventory actual data. So here I need to check how much was here. Alright, so I need to get a slot item here too. Yeah, now I would have to actually know the numbers. Because I have this here already, so slot inventory. So I could use this. Anyway, so the slot inventory is just to track where stuff are on in the slots. The actual inventory is just the actual stuff that you have. For example, 10 sticks, you could have 5 in one slot and 5 in another slot. Basically what it is. So by all means, you don't use this as a link. Well, I shouldn't. I'm the one programming here. The actual inventory. And this is a shortcut. Same situation as that. Alright. Could actually start populating this stuff. So you know, I would have to do this guy. Let's call it temp. Set that to 0. I'm gonna count that up. Save. And here, where's it? My brain. The brain. To close all these other stuff. Weird. Right where I'm creating stuff. Inventory. Alright, if so temp. Wait. Inventory at add them temp, and the amount is the n. The problem now is the slot has to be synced. Right, slots. Copy this over. Inventory. Just say set slot or something. I don't know. Set slot item. And that would be slot ID. Where is it? I at get index. Then whatever this is, so name temp. Should just create it first. Or oh, it's temp already. and the quantity that same number. Capacity. That's that item. That. So that's item. Slot. X and item. So let's say got inventories. That's ID equals item data. That for that. All right. After all of this is done, I want to print it out. And I don't have to. But print inventory. Oh man. Oh shoot. Fastest. I'm gonna come back and do that. Oh boy. There you go. Okay, name the quantity. Regular inventory. Alright, so look at, see the stamp here? It's 580 48. So that's just all of these again, but where there are in the slots. I'll be right back. Let's batch them again. Jesus. Sorry. Oh yeah, I was thinking to do that. The building system. I really liked how the forest did it. Like you had like the blueprint showing up, and you have to throw the parts in it. That was kind of cool. I was thinking to do something similar to that, but not sure. Alright. So this is working fine. Now that I know where stuff are, I could do all this stuff here. So, let's see. X equal 1. I can't do that. Old structure. Then, so this is the split in half. I need to do this again. I need to know how much was in the inventory here. So, I'd have to say, let's see. Inventory. But just add some functions to just give me half of an item. Yeah. Yeah, let me do that. A lot easier. Or not, I don't know. Split item or something like that. Let's copy this. Split dot item answer dot index. Then I'm thinking, how would this even work? So var count equals inventory slots index dot index. Oh, IDX. And I know that it would be quantity, right? Yeah, quantity. Should always be quantity. And then I need to split it. So var half equal count divided by 2. I don't want it to be a remainder. How do I do that? If there's a remainder, I wanna like the smaller half. Hold the smaller half. Oh, there's gonna be a problem with that. Oh, I think I know how to do it. For rem what do I do this? So count. Is it modulo 2? I don't know if I'm doing that right. And then half of that that's set to be an int. And plus rem. I don't think that's how that works, but I'll figure something out. Then I return that half. Turn half I set this to be the lower half. Equals count minus the half. I'm setting the slot to be that amount. Oh, the inventory? Oh, you mean the crafting thing? I already had crafting set up, but kind of broke it doing this new stuff here. So let me show you. You look in the inventory menu here. This crafting window. It is. So I could craft that guy, but I think it's gonna break something. Oh, it didn't, and it didn't. But it should show up in here. So that's gonna be a new thing I have to do too. I'm gonna have to loop through each one whenever I craft something new, and the first one that doesn't have anything in its slots, I could just add it. Add it there, I mean. But I have to also check before I even craft it that there is even space to craft it. But oh well. It's a whole different thing. Another video. Alright, this should be good now. So split item, the slot. Save. Inventory, split item. Active slot at time or get index. Okay, get index. I think it's a quantity it returns. So let's say var do that. I still have to update the ones that I'm pulling from too. So active item. Oh, I have an idea how to do that. All right, let's see what we want to do here. Yeah, move this down. Get text and set it to be TRQ. A new quantity. Then get parent and add child item. Hey. Then the last one will be to delete. So I want that to be another pop-up window. You could select delete all or delete some of it. Alright, so let's try these out first. I need to sort this out as already. Or get one item. Let me do that. Copy inventory. Link. Get one plot. Copy this guy. Count plot idx. Don't need any of this guy. Basically what I'm doing here is removing one, minus one. Turn the one, I guess. I don't even need to return anything. Or do I? I don't know. Let's see. Good. Madden var 2 equals inventory. Get one. Slow that. What? Oh yeah, I do actually need to do this. Or active slot, not slot I am. Because remember I'm updating the inventory. I do that. Just say string. No, it's just one. Alright. I need to do this here. Copy that and paste them there. Oh, I need to call held item as well. Holding item. Held item equals that item. Ah. I am dumb. I should have made this be the actual thing. Held item. Copy this. There. You get what I mean? Since when you split it, you're actually holding it, so. See if that works. Let's go on the hood. Uh-oh. Didn't check if it's the right mouse or left mouse. Double check the grid here. Input. Here it is. If event dot button mask equals unlock and is there a right mouse? I think there is, right? Mouse. Man. I want to use the right stuff. I think it's mouse right or something like that. What is it called again? Input mouse. Oh. There's a mask somewhere and I don't remember. Button. Ooh. Oh, there it is. But right. Ooh, all right, let's test that out. Right. And four-dimensional experience currency. What's that? Not sure what it is. Let me check this out first. Alright, now I could left click, select them. So this has 82. Let's split it and see what happens. Uh-oh, right mouse isn't working. What did I mess up? I think this means 1, right? Oh, it's 2. I checked. Oh, the button mask was there. Oh, it's not a mask, I don't think. Just button. That? Button and mouse button identifier. Yeah. Button index. Add button mask here. Alright, let's try it again. Go. So, alright, I got 55 here. Let's split it and see what happens. Wink. Quantity and base string. What? Oh, it didn't update. Hold on, let me make sure I'm not messing something up. It's in dictionary. Slot items. Venture slots. Text. Item data. Oh, right. I think it's something to do with the slot being empty. Or not. Or let me try some again. Even take one. Did I mess that up? That slot. Oh shit. That good. Who is empty? Oh. Okay. Work, but inventories. First take one. That's interesting actually. Wait, let me see if I added back the index on here. Oh, I did not. Wait a minute. Back. Yeah, I don't trust this thing. The index from this guy itself. I don't know why. Kinda weird. I think it's messing with me. Instead of get index, I'm gonna say item ID. Grid. This here. The ID. Good. Here again. Maybe it's the same result, I don't know. And that's a new problem. This is an int. Why is this doing this? Valid type int. Is it? Let's say integer. Oh, string to int or something like that. Oh, I get it. So name to int. There was nothing. Okay. No, nothing happens. Oh, right. I'm not updating the slots anymore. So, whenever I pick up something, I need to set the slot data to empty. Where is it? Set slot. Add item. Set slot item. It's func set slot empty. Inventory slots index equals to empty. Right, so wherever I'm grabbing stuff now, so that's another issue I'm gonna have. I need the item to actually hold its values. Where is it? Item template. Has to have a script. Gonna be a 9. Okay. That's a script. Call it slot item. Data or data. That's gonna be name and quantity. All right. Func set quantity. This way I could actually program it how I want. Or set, I should just say set data, whatever. Data. Name. Oops. Name. Okay. Item name. Quantity. Oops. Don't know why I did that, but alright, so data equal item name, data on alright. So that's the only thing I want to set here, and I need to actually set its values. Quantity string text, I mean, on ready for one. Bill. So the text equals R. Okay. I don't have to do all that stuff anymore. Over here now. Where am I doing it? So item. Oh, right here. Nine. Okay. Yeah. Oh, server. It's like 3 o'clock here. Almost 3 o'clock, I mean. I was planning to jump off in a little bit too. So the set data. So the name was temp. And the quantity was n. So the reason I have to do this here is whenever I unparented, I moved the quantity from the inventory as well. This could cause some bugs if I'm not being careful. Or you could do like duplication glitches and stuff like that. Now that's happened with that Zelda game that came out recently. Because the animation I think was directly involved with the data. I think it was like if you throw it far enough it doesn't count as deleted. I don't remember what it was. I think they got rid of it and then they found another way again. The duplication glitch. Alright, right here. Okay, set data. Temp. And you know what? I'm thinking I should just return the actual item here. That dictionary. Overkill, but okay. Oh, I need to hold item, I think. Yeah. Didn't I just write this here? Hold an item equals true. Pretty sure I did this. Okay. There. Alright. Thinking if this is gonna work. Alright, need to do this again. Do that there. Grab, place. Damn. Index on base. That is throwing me way off. The thing that's happening is something here with the indexes are messed up. So I should get slot 0 and the quantity from this. But it's thinking it's an empty slot. It's not thinking it is, but I'm wondering why it is. Get one slot item. Active ID. Try some. See if I'm just making a bug. Take one. Text space. Okay, so I gotta make this a scene. Interesting. Uh. Then I could. Okay, that would fix. Alright. Those. Oh. Quantity label. Maybe I shouldn't duplicate them. Just create a new instance. And I haven't done that in a while. Like loading pack scenes. It doesn't make sense to. Let's see. I'm ready for. Oh, right, I'm done. Let's preload this here. Preload. Why? No. The instantiate instead. Do that ever I'm gonna use that. There's instance down here. 8 and what? Am I dumb? Oh boy. Where is it? 1 T. On base nil. Am I spelling something? Alright, CHK. Yeah, I'm about to jump off too, so thanks for watching too. Trying to just figure out what's going on with this. I want to make the split feature and that's it for today. Types. What? Data. Valid set index text base nil. Am I crazy, guys? Double check. I'm alright. Don't have to be any anymore either. Up here. Ready. Oh, I don't need to show it. Uh-oh. Gotta figure out what I messed up. I know what to do. And alright, let's just fill all of them up. Then if it's less than 1.0, pulling all of them up and equal to 1. Okay. That split is still being done. Set index text is null with volatile. Oh, I know what it is. I'm setting it before I didn't this child, I think. No? I think it is that. Yep. It has to be a child first. Always mess that up. I didn't need to do all that stuff that I did, but let me set this back to 0.5. Alright, now I could select if split works, take one, go. There, fit. That doesn't work. Get parent, remove child. Alright, up Adam. Alright, so split works. That split, take one. Alright. What am I doing different here? Take one works, but I'm not updating that yet. But if take one work here, oh, I didn't update that thing. So whenever I place an item in a slot, I need to update it. Very. Slot item. Alright, if I'm holding an item, remove child, and I say inventory dot empty set slot empty or something like that. Set slot empty, then dot index. Then here, if holding item close, right here now I want to say inventory. Oh, I could do multiple things. Instead of swapping, I could combine. Go back to that. Alright, I'm gonna do this off stream. It's streaming long enough now. You guys in a bit. How you do? 4, 3, close.